Hey guys, welcome back to Cal's Craft. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how to make this magic wand. So what you will need for this first part is a dowel, or a very straight thin stick. Then you will need a hand planer to carve it down to a gradual point, or you could use an automatic sander. Then you need some sandpaper. Start by measuring 14 inches. That is the average length that I do for all my wands. Mark it. Now take your saw and cut where you marked. Start by taking your hand planer or automatic sander and start carving it down to a nice gradual point. This takes a little bit of time. As you can see here, I finished and it looks pretty nice, but it's still pretty rough. So now, take your sandpaper and smooth it down until it is super smooth. Voila! It can be a little rough for more natural looks. Let's head over to paint. What you will need is some paint, a paintbrush, and a little container or dish to put your paint in. Start by painting the entire wand. You can start with one coat for now, but once it dries, we can do another. So just start by, painting the entire thing until it's all the color you want. Let it dry. Once it's dry, we can start by adding the hot glue. So at the flat part on the bottom, just start by adding one blob of hot glue. Then make a little ring of hot glue around it. Then you can start by doing any design you want. I did a swirly design. Add as much as you want. Once that's completely dry, we can start by adding more brown paint to give the hot glue a base layer. Now that that is dry, we can start by adding gold paint. Try to paint only the hot glue. If you get some paint on the sides and on the brown, that's fine. We can go touch that up like I'm doing right now. Let that dry. Then it's time for Montage. This will give it a nice clear coat, and it will also protect it massively from drops and scratches. Coat the entire thing. And voila, that's the entire wand complete. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I inspired you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.